Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LLC today. There's a move for Terra Classic to be listed on Coinbase. This move has started since last year. It was as of May 2022 was when Coinbase removed Terra Classic from the platform, and since then Terra Classic have been hoping for the day that Coinbase will finally list Terra Classic back, and since then we have been getting different news about Coinbase listing Terra Classic, and it's not getting possible. But I believe that there's a move, there's almost the fifth move, I would say the fifth move towards getting Terra Classic to be listed on Coinbase. And you know what that means? If Terra Classic finally get listed on Coinbase, it is definitely going to help Terra Classic LLC to definitely rise and gain some market cap, and of course there will be an increase on the trading volume, which will definitely lead to the high point of Terra Classic. But Coinbase, if Coinbase reject again, if Coinbase reject listing Terra Classic, I don't think that will definitely happen again any moment this year. Yes, if Coinbase reject Terra Classic, if they refuse to list Terra Classic once again, then definitely if you want to see Terra Classic on Coinbase, I believe that will be happening maybe towards 2024. And it depends on how Terra Classic is able to perform. That is how we believe that Coinbase might decide, okay, they might decide to list Terra Classic, but there is a kind of 62% chances that this coin can get to Coinbase. There's 62 chances. What are the chances? The chances is that right now, at the time of recording this, Terra Classic is ranked number 86 crypto coins with the highest market cap, which means that Coinbase, Binance, top crypto exchanges have been listing most coins that are ranked the top 100 are on these coins. Most of the coins, okay, about 99% coins that are listed among the top 100 crypto coins are already listed on Binance, on Get.io, on most of the exchanges. And you see, the Terra Classic is also listed on these other exchanges, not just Binance, but on Coinbase it was listed before, but we all know what happened. That is why there is a probability, 62% chances that Coinbase might want to decide to list this coin, because a coin with over $300 million market cap is ranked 86 crypto coins, not even outside the top 100, inside the top 100, there is the possibility to get this coin back again on Coinbase. Terra Classic don't need to rise and pump for it to go back to Coinbase. But I still believe there's a tendency that early next year, from now to early next year, we might see Terra Classic on Coinbase. Let's keep hoping, but do not purchase more coins for now. Okay, you can keep what you have, or you can sell some, but don't go for buying more Terra Classic. I don't support that, because right now we have still monitoring Terra Classic. It has been long I did a video about Terra Classic, but I decided to do this today because I see a little improvement on Terra Classic. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notification. Once again, thank you for stopping by.